Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn history tricks using an easy method. First, connect new historical facts to existing knowledge, building a strong mental framework. Next, visualize historical events and key figures vividly in your mind, making them more memorable. Then, transform dry facts into engaging stories, which naturally improves recall. Finally, divide complex historical periods into smaller, digestible segments, making the learning process less overwhelming and more effective for everyone. Visualizing history is a powerful trick. Imagine the setting, the people, and their actions as if watching a movie. For instance, picture a bustling marketplace or a quiet battlefield. Then, weave these images into a compelling story. Think about the who, what, when, where, and why to build a narrative. This method helps your brain retain information much more effectively than rote memorization, turning facts into an engaging mental journey. Chunking involves breaking down vast historical periods into smaller, more manageable segments, perhaps 10 to 15 years at a time. This makes the information less daunting. Then, use association by linking new facts to something you already know or find interesting. For example, connect a historical figure's name to a similar-sounding word or a visual cue. This technique significantly reduces cognitive load and enhances your ability to recall specific details with ease. Active recall is crucial for solidifying your historical knowledge. Instead of passively rereading, actively try to remember facts and concepts. Quiz yourself frequently, perhaps for 5 to 10 minutes daily, on what you've studied. Spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals, also dramatically improves long-term retention. Finally, explaining history to another person forces you to organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your understanding, making you a true history master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.